Just remember that. Keep the record on. Good, good.
Just record that.
Yeah.
Nothing in the bag. We'll take her out of the bag. No, no. It's going good. You take that. You take it up. Hey, that's good.
So many rings there, nobody will know which man you're married to. Yeah.
Yeah, good.
Or you can put that on right through your nose.
So, watch it, everybody.
Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Yeah, family.
Oh, I think that's what I wanted.
You would, God. You like in the feet now.
I think that's it. Hey, hey. That's me? I said that's
What? Hey, one.
now I'm the one to go to the paper. Now, this time it goes like mine.
There you go.
Now, this time it has taken Santa. Yeah. I didn't know about that one.
You didn't know.
Hey. Everybody, it's a big coat.
Well, Sam.
I'm ready, so get out of here.
Oh. Okay. Why don't you say Merry Christmas, Sammy?
Oh, beep. Humbug.
Humbug.
That's Scrooge's way.
Can't even say nothing. Like Chico and the Man.
Even doing murder to show cop? Hey, I got one.
Hey, if you play that one about the,
Shut up a minute, thanks. I'm going to take this. I'm going to have a tape.
No. Come on. I know that one. You will? Who taught it to you? Uncle Word?
Kenny Val.
Really? You know how full I get this shit together?
That's not it.
Do ya? Do I write? No, full I get this shit together. Oh.
Okay, Jonathan. Okay, now come look like this. What is that? Oh, I used the toothpaste. I believe it.
Another one. You can put up your house as I did. Good.
How many batteries is
Yeah, with a name on it.
Right
Yeah.
there. One battery.
The Doug likes those chocolate covered
It's a
cherries,
nickel
so I
Canadian
bought two
pack,
of them.
yeah.
I thought,
How much they charge you?
one
New one.
to him.
Oh, the battery comes with it.
Then I discovered they
To
do
get a new
work
one, though,
cherry.
what's it cost?
Oh, I don't know. It probably costs quite a bit for a new one, but that one he can recharge. It's rechargeable.
Oh, that's good. Do you guys like this?
Yeah. We haven't played with it much the past.
You can hook it right up to TV here.
This is your recharger, and
Oh.
along with that you can run it off electricity too.
There's someone else on it. I gotta
Yeah.
talk to my sister into getting one of these.
How much that one cost, you say?
I think it cost me 12 something.
Is that where you thought the best deal was?
That
or
was
is that
with
the
the
only
case
place
and
you were?
everything, right?
Yeah. I see
So I see listening to a song for 12 something and they want $100 for a case or something.
I see Hart today was advertising the Panasonic one for, I think it was 11 something on the case.
Oh,
Hart gives you 12 months to pay with no interest too.
Yeah.
Really?
yeah, I go
Doug
home.
decided to go back to Hart to buy it, but when he went back, they
Get $1,200 commission check to spend.
It's sold.
Yeah. So we got it at Gordon.
I'd like to get one of those real fancy ones where you can make your own titles, blocks, print things on the picture.
Those are really nice. I was curious how heavy they were. That's really nice. What else is good?
Look it up and get Abby on TV.
No, I do not want to
Oh,
be on TV.
Abby, Jesus Christ, how are you going to tell her how it works?
I look disgusting, thank you.
Well, that ain't nothing new.
That's
picture him beating up on him, please? Sure, go ahead.
Oh, yeah?
Look at Kevin, he doesn't feel
You
good.
got it on auto? Oh, that's a zoom.
Yeah, well, I could do it this way, but
Zoom in a couple of heavy sets there.
We bought, I think it was 4 or 6 VHS tapes.
Heavy's fine, the camera.
Of course, so it's nice is we went and signed
They're
up for
filming right
Video
now?
King.
Yeah,
It's
that's
only
cool.
$1. So we've been renting
Don't make no
VHS
noise
movies.
at all.
You can play them into this, play them through here onto the TV, and at the same time have the recorder taping it off the TV. So we've been taping movies. Neat. That's a neat way to do it. Huh.
Make a face at the camera.
Because every time we go to record it, or go up there, we go up on Monday or Tuesdays, we
Make a
get
face, Amy.
rent 3 for the price
And
of 2.
you. Crack the legs.
Of course, Kevin always has to pick out his tape.
Say something,
That's
Em.
usually pick. He usually, well, he had Care Bears movie one week, and then he had a Transformer movie, and then he had that was really quite enough. Voltron. Sheesh.
You're an old grump tonight, aren't you, Kevin?
Doesn't feel good. That's a neat idea, though. Did you price any of the beta ones, beta cameras like that? That's the only one. He went to the store one day when I was, Kevin and I had to go to Elmira, and we came home and we had it. You know, it was all talk of the other.
Get the 8mm ones too, they're a little bit better. Kevin, make a face at the camera.
doesn't excite him anymore.
Sorry. Chipping anywhere? Well, glad to know.
Wasn't in tight then. I know what. Should be back on more space.
Yeah, but when it goes, it just goes time-wise.
How many can I put in? Keep putting them in? No.
No, you
Each
can.
takes turn.
Yeah,
Right.
you can
Your
change
turn,
the weight.
Kevin. The top of it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a deep
Only
one.
thing you
Put it
can't take your own guy.
Yep.
Look at that.
Each turn. Uh-oh, watch out, Gabby's gonna win, so we don't. Okay, it's Mickey's turn.
That's interesting. Zoom in and make sound noises.
My turn? How about this turn then? Quick enough. Okay. Okay, your turn.
It just went mine.
Oh, he just moved the thing, so it's Abby's
Move the
turn.
thing or put a thing in?
It's Uncle Mickey's
You
turn.
can't put too far in the middle like that. You gotta stick like that.
Oh, I thought, I didn't know that. I didn't put it there. Which way do you have to get 4 in a row?
Yeah. Oh, I think this one has 3. Some has 3 and some has 4. Ooh. Mickey gets that whip.
It's your turn, Kevin.
Uh-oh, and
Hey, it's Mickey's turn. I'm not looking for this.
what? Time's what? Oh, I got 3 in a row. Oh, that's 3 in a row.
You're 4 over. Don't get all right.
Yeah, but it doesn't keep getting. Okay.
You can't put a thing in.
No, you should turn this one to stop Uncle Mickey.
not moving yet.
You can only move one time. You move this one, it's stuck on the
This one?
Oh, Chelsea.
Yeah. Time-wise.
Turn the other way.
Time-wise.
This way?
Yeah. Time-wise. It's stuck on the
Should turn this one, yeah? And I gotta put this one there.
No, you gotta stop.
Whoa. Where'd it go? It knocked it up. Please. Well, it jumped it. You can't take it out until the end of the game.
But that's not supposed to be there. That's why we were trying to get it out.
Why is that black? Can you put that on top?
Too late.
We're gonna skip Kevin's turn.
You just went.
You just put the thing on yours.
Does somebody ever always have to win this game?
One.
Good person.
Only female. What? What?
My turn, Ab?
Female.
Okay, we'll look over at what Abby's doing.
What about that?
My turn? What are gonna do with going this one?
That's not a complete
It's not a complete turn.
No, it's not.
Didn't snap
What is it
in.
supposed to be?
Nice try.
How come it don't line up?
Because it tricked you.
Only certain ones line up. Makes the game a little more difficult.
Come on, Uncle Mickey.
Oh, wait a minute. I want to turn this one.
You can't.
He didn't know that it didn't go all the way.
Geez, that'd be open heavy.
No, it can only move
Oh.
time-wise.
Only time-wise, well, that ain't no good.
What do you mean time-wise?
Clockwise.
Oh, clockwise. I thought you meant there was, you have to move it within a minute or something, or figure something out. Can't get 4 in a row there, Kevin, so don't move it.
Yeah, number 6 over here. Oh, one shot.
Well, that's alright, they'll know it's supposed to be red. Watch out, Abby's gonna turn it, she's gonna lose your finger. Leave it there, you already put it in.
Look at that.
Hey,
What are you doing
I didn't move it. I didn't want to move it. I wanted to see what
Oh,
it
geez,
had.
yes.
It's real nice language.
Especially
Well, move it back then.
I did.
You didn't, it was over here. I said you already moved it.
Fine, that's my move.
oh, female.
Kevin, why don't you put one over here?
Ah.
Oh, oh.
Put one in the bottom one. I don't know, you already got it in there.
Nope, it's
So
not.
I'll put it in the bottom one. It's
turn?
Uncle Mickey's turn.
I should roll this.
You just won.
Did you move this way?
Yes, he did.
How do you get these out now, Kevin?
You just found out.
You're worse than a kid, you know that? Jesus,
I
I've never
didn't see
seen
what that
anything
button
like
was.
you.